I'm back. On my last video, I had a different shirt on. Sorry, my dog kind of. Ugh. How can I put this to you guys? It's like, the whole Crisis on Infinity Earth event. We are wondering who's going to be who's going to do the first crossover. Where is Batman? Oh, yes, Batman. Here we go. Then there's a lot of everything. First of all, I gotta see this. It's like my mind is boggled. I mean, sorry, my voice kind of got a little bit of Heath Ledger there for a second. Oh, that was too much of a good one. That was too much of a good one. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, fans of Heath Ledger. I'm sorry for this family. That was just a joke on my part, and the voice kind of came in because I thought of Batman. I was watching the trailer of Batwoman, and it was awesome. I know Batwoman will go top some Arrow. I ain't gonna lie. She gonna top Arrow. She gonna top Arrow. I'm sorry, everybody, but she gonna top it. She gonna top Arrow. Why? Oh. But let me continue. First of all, I did that when I put my finger. We are thinking, how is Black Lightning going to connect to the arrowverse? Well, I know how. Like, for how many other crossovers? I mean, like how they did with the crossover for Vixen. Then she go animated again. I mean, like, Oliver, aka the Green Arrow, said me and her had an animated crossover encounter. Me and her had an animated encounter. Yeah, I think that. Yeah. I think me and her had an animated encounter at one time. So with Vixen, I think they should do the same. If not, who should do the encounter first? Like the Flash did with Supergirl, I'm going to say Green Arrow should do with Black Lightning. That would be the best way to introduce him to the Arrowverse. I mean, come on. One hero introduce him to a alien-like super being from another planet. I'm sorry. Formerly another planet. So, why don't you do with Green Arrow? I mean, for him to get to another Earth, I think he should battle a magical villain, like, say, Felix Faust. Yeah, Felix Faust would be a perfect little side villain for him. Felix Faust. Felix Faust. Perfect. More like a side villain, not a whole villain. I mean, you won't go worse. How about for him? He should have returned to be an ultimate villain of all time. How about, say, the Dark Archer? Malcolm. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Really, I'm not. I mean, the Dark Archer, Malcolm Merlin, has everything about him, you know. I mean, like I saw with the Emerald Archer in DC shorts, along with some Black Canary. You and that, watch your mouth. Ah! I said, good Lord, that woman, I thought woman born. I'm gonna lie to him. But let's get back to the subject on hand: how to introduce Black Lightning to the Arrowverse. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, encounters is how this works. I mean, like how they did with Vixen, like I said before, and how they did with Batwoman. Flash met Supergirl. So that means Green Arrow should meet Black Lightning, which means that for him to do that, to go to another Earth, if he's on another Earth, he should go. He should have a villain, a magical villain like Felix Faust. I mean, what's his name? Damien, no. Yeah, Damien Dark is dead. He's dead. Bye. He's dead. Okay? That's enough said. Damien Dark is dead. I'm sorry. So we need another one of the DC villain like Felix Faust, and we'll be golden. Right there. I mean, they said it's the fight the Anti-Monitor. If that's true, we might get ready. Because at one time, I know we seen a future of that team up. But it was a little bit different. It was doing... Oh, the preview. Yeah, the preview commercial for Legends of Tomorrow. I mean, from the looks of it, there was the Anti-Monitor right there. You had the Flash, you had Green Arrow, you had the Legends, you had... I think Supergirl at that time. But no Batgirl. I mean Batwoman. So that means, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, DC fans across all of the nation, I am here to tell you that when it comes to the DC world, to DC universe, we gotta make it happen like crack-a-lackin'. Because from the commercial, from the new trailer, we see Black Lightning having more trouble than ever, going over the war through Freeland. Him wearing I think it was like what? Shaggy beard, shaggy hairdo. He started to look like his Young Justice counterpart. And to put it like this, if they was to do that, let Black Lightning go back to his original costume. I know, not like the original costume, like Super Friend's original costume. I'm talking about his original costume. No, the DC Short original costume. They put it like that. You know, when he asked his daughters, I'm like, yeah, see, the suit makes the man. How does it feel to look like your daddy? Feel like a kick butt, cool superhero. Who was it? I think it was Jessica to my dad. That Superman will never make you look cool. Oh, that's a low blow. Low blow. I never heard of a low blow from a female member in a superhero, a DC superhero nation short series like that. It hurts, you know. But you know what? Like I said, if that was to happen, Phileas Files would have been made a perfect addition to the arrowverse. I mean, cause really, Damien Dark was mostly a torturer of magic. That's what I say for it. You know, with Felix Fowl seeing Green Arrow to another Earth where Black Lightning is on, there we go. That means Flash met Supergirl, Green Arrow met Black Lightning. But the two met both Vixen and Batwoman. So I'll say this to y'all right now. Well, actually, along with Supergirl. So those three met Supergirl, the Flash, and Green Arrow. They all three of them met Batwoman together. So that means, guess what? Welcome to the Arrowverse. Next stop, Freeman. For who? The Black Lightning universe. No, I'm sorry, not Jessica, Tessa. Tessa and Jennifer. Ooh, they brought them on now. Oh. Those crises on Infinity Earth. And along with, they also need to put in some little bit of fate. Yeah, a little bit of fate. If they put fate in there, I'll be surprised. That means he'll be the one to help out the whole Arrowverse. Fate. Oh, you know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry, I forgot. There's supposed to be a DR, then Fate. Let me put it, Dr. Fate. Because with that, Dr. Fate is mostly like the source for both most of the balancer of both chaos and discord. No. Was it, yeah, chaos and order. Yeah, chaos and order. So, Dr. Fate, chaos and order. Oh boy. That was a good video. Oh, I'm still recording. I'm sorry. Hit that like. Subscribe. Trust me. If you're a speedster, that means you run fast as lightning. But for me, I could be that Black Lightning and bring out the thunder. I'm Chris Blackthorne Harris. My superpower, I'm not bringing